Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install any application on Sony Google TV. So the simplest method to download an application on your TV is to go to the Apps tab and search for an app that you're interested in. You can also navigate between all of these recommendations. This is basically the Google Play Store just embedded in your TV's interface. So yeah, you can all the applications available here are available in Google Play Store on your for your TV. And if you want to install any application, either search for it using the search bar or select one from the recommendations, then click install. Wait until this application is installed. At this point you don't even have to be on the apps page. You can just go to your apps menu and wait until this application appears there. Okay, so it's being installed, and eventually it will appear, and then you'll be able to open it and start using it. Okay, so that's the easy way. Now, if you are an enthusiast and if you want to install even more applications on your TV, not only the ones that are available in Google Play Store, I will shortly show you the way on how you can do this. First of all, I want to show you the way of accessing the original Google Play Store. If you're interested in how to do this, open the settings menu, then go to all settings, navigate to the apps menu in settings, then in apps select see all apps, and then navigate to show system apps, which is at the very bottom of the list. And in system apps, scroll down to the G letter. Okay, and here we're gonna find the Google Play Store, and if you open it, you will find that this is basically the same store that you have on your TV with all the same applications on it. So yeah, simply if you're interested in accessing Google Play Store, here's how we do it. And you can of course just select any application in the Google Play Store and download and install it just like in your original apps library or apps store. So if you want to download any external application, we're gonna need to install 3 different apps on this TV. So let's search for them. First of all is the internet browser, as the original internet browser doesn't support downloads, and we cannot enable downloads for it. And the best browser I found, which has the best opinions on Sony Bravia TV, is Browse Here browser. So search for Browse Here, and you will find this TV browser. Click install to install this browser, and after it's installed, we're also gonna have to give it permission to download from unknown sources, but let's do it a bit later. Right now we're also gonna need some file manager, and you can either use File Manager Plus for more user-friendly interface, or you can download X-Plor for well, more customization. I'm gonna use the File Manager Plus. It's one of the most popular options for your TV. You'll just search for File Manager. I'm gonna stop right here. I think it's gonna find it. So either File Manager Plus for more user-friendly interface, or Explore File Manager for more customization. So with Explore, you will be able to go as deep as into the package list for your APK file that you installed, and with File Manager you'll just be able to see it and select install and well, start using it. So let's also find the third application, which will be the Sideload Launcher, Sideload Launcher. Sideload Launcher, because the applications that you download from unknown sources will not be shown on your main apps menu or apps list, apps library, etc. So we're gonna need to find the Sideload Launcher, which is also an application available in the Google Play Store. So find it, click install, and wait until this application is installed. And using this application, we'll be able to easily find all the applications that we downloaded from the internet. Okay. Okay, so right now we have all the default apps in this application. And let's give our other applications like web browser and file manager the permissions to download, to install files from unknown sources. To do so, go to settings, then go to privacy. In privacy, navigate to security and restrictions, which is the last option on the list. Select it, select unknown sources, and then switch the toggle to the right for browse here and for your either file manager or explorer. Now we're also gonna need to give the file manager or explorer permission to use all files on our TV. So let's go back to settings, then open apps menu, then let's see all apps, and let's find either file manager or explorer. And let's go to its the permissions of select files and media, and change don't allow to allow management of all files. Okay, so we're almost here. Basically, we are set up for downloading external applications right now. Click get started, and now just search for any URL address to find the application you're looking for. Be very cautious, be aware that there are many malicious files you can download from the internet that may break your TV, so be very careful when installing external APKs. From my knowledge, the APKMirror is considered a relatively safe website, except for they have many of the files they have on their website are in the APKM format, which requires some installer application to unpack the APKM file and install an application, and they have their default APKM installer or APKMirror. Let me actually check to show you this application. I didn't mention it because no. Then okay, because they only allow you to unpack one file, like okay, I'm in the wrong menu. That's why I can find it. Let's search here. One installation or one unpacking. Therefore, I don't think it's a great option, because once you unpacked one file, once you installed one application, they will ask you, well, not ask you, but require of you to buy a subscription that costs, I think, like $10 a month, which is not what we're looking for in this video. So yeah, so if you want to, you can use this app. It's the most compatible one with their own with the files from their own website, of course, but many of these files can be actually unpacked with File Explorer or the Explorer application that we recently installed, and let me just show you how we can, for example, download a Google Chrome application. Now, this may not be the best example, as there as this TV doesn't support Google Chrome, and there is no supported Google Chrome application for your TV actually, but if you have a mouse and a keyboard, then you'll be able to easily navigate in the Google Chrome web browser on this TV. It's just an example of what you can do using this method. So find the APKMirror website, APKMirror.com. Open it, and on this website we're gonna have to search for, of course, Google Chrome or just Chrome. So let's find the Chrome application. Okay, here we have Google Chrome by Google LLC. No, not the Chrome dev, but the Google Chrome. So let's open it, and now let's scroll to available downloads. Now we have the latest version, updated November 30, 2025. And it says that it's a bundle. Now the bundle is, the bundle tag means that this will require some unpacking application to download the APK file, because it's not just an APK, but it's an APKM file, and therefore not really unpackable with any other application other than their one. But we'll try to do this using our file explorer. Once we selected this download, we can also see that this APK requires a library 3 Chrome, which is true. The Google Chrome web browser actually requires this library, and it's absent on this TV. So let's select this 3 Chrome library, press continue, as it will start downloading it. Oh no, it won't. Instead, we're gonna have to select download APK option to start downloading the APK file for our Google Chrome. Let's wait a moment. Okay, and the download will start shortly. Just wait for it. Okay, so once the download started, select OK, then allow the permission, wait until the file is downloaded. I don't think it's gonna take too long. Then press open. And since a 3 Chrome library is a simple APK file, we can install it right away without any other applications needed for that. So yeah, it says app is not installed as package conflicts with an existing package. It's just because I already have the 3 Chrome library on my TV. So yeah, on your TV it will work if you are actually enthusiastic enough to try downloading Google Chrome on your TV too. So right now let's go to the previous page, which is here. Yeah, and basically if you press return button on your remote control, you'll be able to navigate on this bar where we have different stuff for easily navigating the browser, like previous page, next page, refresh page, bookmarks, history. I don't know what this does. Read mode, dark mode, user agent, voice search, and other features. Okay, so right now let's download APK bundle for a Google Chrome application, and wait until download is started. Click OK. And now we're not gonna be able to download Google Chrome from this application. So instead, let's go back to home, then navigate to File Manager Plus or Explore, and then find the Downloads folder, open it, and open your Google Chrome installer. select install, then confirm by selecting install, and wait until the Chrome is installed. Okay, so that's it. We installed the application that is not available on this TV. Now, if in order to open it, we're gonna have to use the Sideload Launcher, which is another application that we installed recently. And here you'll find your Google Chrome. But there is one big problem. This application is not supported by your TV, so you cannot use your remote control, or I also checked the PS controller for that. It doesn't work either. So the only way that we can is we can comfortably navigate in here is by connecting an external mouse and external keyboard to our TV using any available USB port on your TV. So I'm gonna connect. I just connected the dongle to my TV, and now we can use the mouse to operate in this Google Chrome web browser. So let's type no thanks. And right now we can actually start using our Google Chrome and open different websites on it. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to use your Google Chrome web browser, you're gonna have to use a keyboard and a mouse for it. But there are a lot of other different applications. Some I cannot show you, but they are actually very easy to install from your web browser. It's just that YouTube will not like me showing you how to install these applications, but they are useful. There are some YouTube extensions available that are not available in the Google Play Store. So basically, I think maybe you already know what kind of application you want to install from the browser. So go ahead, just be careful, be cautious, as there is a lot of malware on the internet, malicious apps that will install some unwanted things on your TV, and we don't want to break the TV with it, of course. So that's basically it. That's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.